Hi everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. Last week I made a video using this Viewtron security camera with light that I have installed at the front door of my house. And remember, these cameras have a white LED on them so they can act as like a spotlight camera or a floodlight camera, where when light levels are low you can have this light automatically come on or be motion activated. In this video I want to show you what this camera looks like using the mobile app for iPhone and Android, and also show you how you can remotely change the settings for that nighttime mode from the mobile app as well. Here's the live security camera view from the Viewtron mobile app. And right now I have the camera in IR night vision mode, so the security camera's light is not being used. You'll see as I step into view, the camera stays in IR mode. But I'm going to access the menu system by tapping on the screen and then going into the camera settings and then the light settings. And I'm going to change infrared light to white light. And you'll see the camera basically does like a miniature reboot here, and the spotlight is now on and the camera is recording in color. And I'm going to access the menu system again and go into the illumination settings and change it to smart supplemental light. This is the hybrid mode where it's going to switch to IR night vision, and then when the camera detects me intruding in that area, it's going to turn the spotlight on and change to color. So I just walked away, and then I'm going to come back into view, and my intrusion zone is set right there in that square around the door area, and you'll see that the camera's light came on and the IR mode was disabled, and now it's recording in color. Just something to note here, I am accessing via cellular connection. I don't have any Wi-Fi, and you'll see here after 10 seconds the camera will switch back to IR night vision mode and the camera's light will turn off. In case you're wondering how bright the spotlight is on this camera, here's a picture that I took with my phone. That single LED on this camera is super bright, as you could see here. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. I just want to summarize a few things before we wrap up. These Viewtron spotlight cameras, I have them available in a dome model like you see by my front door, but I also have a bullet style. I have one of these mounted on the side of my house, and I have a demo on that one as well. And they can run in 3 modes. So if you don't want to use the spotlight, you could put them just in IR night vision mode, so that when light levels are low, the camera enables its infrared night vision and the white light is not used at all. Okay, so then you can also use the spotlight camera mode. And in that mode, when light levels go low, that spotlight camera comes on and it stays on continuously the entire time that it's dark outside. The third mode is called supplemental light mode, and that's a hybrid of the two. When light levels are low, the camera will enable the IR night vision mode in black and white, but then if motion is detected via actually human intrusion or human line crossing detection, you can also detect vehicles if you like. The camera, when it detects an object, it'll turn the spotlight on and turn to color, and then when that object is no longer detected after a set amount of time, which is configurable by the way, it'll turn the spotlight off and go back into IR night vision mode. Guys, also I want to mention that when I was accessing my camera system in this video from the mobile app for iPhone, I was using a cellular connection. There's no Wi-Fi access outside my house. And by the way, the Android app works just as well. The user interface is exactly the same for the mobile app for iPhone and Android. If you have any questions about any of this, you could email me anytime. I can be reached directly at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to see the additional videos I have using these Viewtron security cameras with light, please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/spotlight. Thank you for watching.